This is Nate with Rotovac Corporation, and I'm really excited to be introducing our new Monsoon portable extractor with massive vacuum suction power. We'll go ahead and just start at the top of the machine and work our way down to explain some of the features. We'll go ahead and start off on this new 2-inch vacuum barb, which is really exciting. We're going from a 1.5 inch to a 2-inch barb to allow more airflow, more CFM. Inside, we actually have a foam diffuser, and this is your waste tank on the Monsoon, which actually has a ball float cage to prevent your wastewater level from rising too much. We'll go ahead and go to the back of the machine real quick and start with the freshwater tank. So the Monsoon actually has a 15-gallon freshwater tank. It has a 10-gallon wastewater tank. The wastewater tank is emptyable by either your manual gate dump valve or our APO system. The APO hookup is located on the back of the machine through this brass fitting, which can hook up to any standard garden hose or a clear discharge hose. So we'll move down to the wheels here, which we decided to put on these non-marring 10-inch impact absorbent wheels. They're super easy to get up and down stairs with these big 10-inch wheels, and it just glides super easily across the floor. And I just want to show you real quickly how easy it is to work on the Monsoon. We discussed that modular design, and the top portion of this machine hinges up like the hood of a car. So all the components are easily accessible in the lower portion of the machine, including your 220 PSI pump, your new ZX high performance vacuum motors, and your APO, your auto pump out system. If you have any issues at all, you can easily access those parts. Okay, so I'm really excited to show you this portion, which is going to be a vacuum test. This is a standard portable, what most guys are using. You can run about 25 feet of vacuum hose off of it, versus the Monsoon, which comfortably runs over 100 feet of vacuum hose. We're gonna fire each one out, put the gauge on there, and let you have a look here. We'll start with this machine. About 50 feet. So we're at about 50 inches of water lift on this machine versus the Monsoon. Get ready for this. Might suck my hand off. Florida. It's gonna break the gauge. This is honestly something you have to feel for yourself to believe it. When people say that it's more than twice as powerful as some of these other standard portables, it's not a joke. This thing has so much suction, it's gonna leave the floor so much drier. You absolutely have to test it out for yourself, which is why we're offering a 1-week trial period with each machine. We want you to test it next to some other machines, go out there, get some customer reactions, and if for any reason you're not satisfied, just send it back. We're pretty confident that this is gonna exceed your expectations. So this is Nate Reed here at Rotovac again. And I just want to thank you for watching this short video explaining the benefits and features of this new Rotovac Monsoon machine. We are super excited about this machine. It will literally suck all your expectations away. It's got massive vacuum power, and we're going to be offering it at a limited introductory price. The retail is $18.95, but give us a call at phone number 888-768-6822, and we'll find you your nearest stocking distributor that has one of these machines on the floor, so you can go see it in person and try out our 1-week evaluation program.